Ever wondered how words can be both a puzzle and a solution? Today we delve into some fascinating English vocabularies. Let's begin with the word ephemeral. Ephemeral, a word with Greek roots, embodies the concept of transience, the fleeting nature of things. Imagine a beautiful butterfly fluttering in the wind, only to disappear after a short while. That's ephemeral, transient, fleeting, temporary. As we journey through the labyrinth of language, we stumble upon serendipity, a delightful word that encapsulates the joy of unexpected and fortunate discoveries. It's like finding a lost treasure while you're cleaning your attic. Serendipity is that pleasant surprise, that fortuity, that lucky fluke, or that chance occurrence that brings a smile to our face. Thus, we see how life can be ephemeral and filled with serendipity. Stay tuned as we explore more of these intriguing words that not only enrich our vocabulary, but also our understanding of the world around us. Moving on to two more intriguing words, mellifluous and quixotic. Let's start with mellifluous. Derived from the Latin roots mel, meaning honey, and fluere, to flow, mellifluous describes sounds that are pleasing to the ear. Imagine the soothing notes of a lullaby or the gentle hum of a stream. These are mellifluous indeed. Synonyms for mellifluous include harmonious, melodic, and sweet-sounding. Now let's turn our attention to quixotic. This word originates from the protagonist of a Spanish novel, Don Quixote, who was both idealistic and impractical. A quixotic person is one who is exceedingly idealistic, unrealistic, or impractical. They often have lofty romantic ideas or plans that are likely to fail. If you've ever chased an impossible dream, then you've had a quixotic moment. Synonyms for quixotic include idealistic, unrealistic, and visionary. So one can have a mellifluous voice or be quixotic in their dreams. Our journey through words continues with ubiquitous and pernicious. Ubiquitous, a word with Latin roots, describes something that appears everywhere. Imagine walking through a city and seeing the same billboard at every corner. That billboard is ubiquitous. Synonyms for ubiquitous include omnipresent, pervasive, and widespread. Now let's transition to a word with a bit more bite, pernicious. Originating from the Latin word perniciosus, it means having a harmful effect, especially in a gradual or subtle way. For instance, the pernicious influence of alcohol can lead to serious health issues. It's not a word you'd use lightly. Synonyms for pernicious include harmful, damaging, and destructive. So, as we navigate the world of words, remember these two. Ubiquitous for things that are everywhere, and pernicious for things that, while they may be subtle, can cause great harm. Remember, while ubiquitous things are everywhere, pernicious ones can be harmful. Finally, we explore cacophony. Resplendent. Cacophony refers to a harsh mixture of sounds. Vehicles honking and people chattering. This could be described as a cacophony. Some synonyms for cacophony include discordance and dissonance. Next up, resplendent, a word used to describe something that is over a serene lake, resplendent in its array of colors. Some synonyms for resplendent could be dazzling or splendid, sluggish or lacking energy. Think about those slow, lazy Sunday mornings when you're feeling particularly lethargic. Synonyms for this word include sluggish and listless, and our final word is garrulous. This is used to describe someone who is excessively talkative, especially on trivial matters, much like your friend who can chat for hours about the most. This include talkative and chatty, whether it's the of nature, the lethargic feeling on a Monday, or the garrulous chatter of a friend. Words paint a vivid picture of our world. To wrap up our fascinating journey through words, we've traversed the fleeting nature of the ephemeral, savored the sweet surprise of serendipity, and reveled in the mellifluous sounds of harmony. We've aspired to the quixotic, acknowledged the ubiquitous, and grappled with the pernicious. We've endured the cacophony, admired the resplendent, acknowledged the lethargic, and engaged with the garrulous. These words, these stories have painted vivid narratives in our minds. Remember, every word is a story waiting to be told. Keep exploring, keep learning,